Let us see like how and what are the features we get once we sign in. So you can sign in here. I have already signed in with my account. So if you are not signed in, you have to sign in for Power BI service. If you want to publish this report to the cloud, if you want to push it to the cloud, you need to hit on publish. But when you are using publish, you need a Power BI service. So for that Power BI service, you need a email address of your company or organization email address. If you are using a personal email address, your Power BI won't work. So the mandatory thing is you need your company's or any organization email address. So if you are signing with your company's email address, once you publish this in Power BI service, you will get a free trial for 28 days or 60 days depending upon the like which account you are getting. So we will go deep dive into that. But not only Power BI, once you log in, not only you will get Power BI service, but there are few features that you are available in the Power BI desktop. That one of the feature I want to talk is, uh, I'll just take a new page here. That is, click on this get more visuals here. So once you click on this get more visuals option, so you will be getting a custom visuals. So for this you need to have a sign in, guys. Without sign in you cannot get this custom visuals. These are custom visuals. There are more than 100,000 plus custom visuals. So apart from the built-in visuals, you may get many visuals here. So let me take one or two examples to just show you how they look like. Suppose I'll just take a scroller. So if you click on this scroller, again I'm repeating, guys, you need a organization email address to serve all these custom visuals. In the scroller, you can see who has developed this, and it is a Power BI certified one, and you will get output like this. And just click on this add button. So once you click on add button, you will get a new visual that is imported into this report. So you can just click on this scroller and you get a scroller visual here. Now you can just put a sales amount. It will just scroll. You can see it will scroll the sales amount only, but there's no meaning at all. So let me just put a category and then it will filter out the category with the sales amount. You can see this. Now you can do a round off for this values. It is giving you many values. You can just put a decimal value, one or two, and so on. If you want to increase the speed, obviously you can do that. So let me come to formatting. Here in the scroller, let me increase the speed to 2. Now it looks good now because there are only 3 categories and it is scrolling fast now. So I wish I will put this in our first page, overview page. You can just rearrange all your visuals and you can paste it somewhere here. Let me do it again. Let me paste it on the first page. Yeah, I got a scroller. I'll keep this at the bottom. I'll just scroll down and this is how your scroller looks like. So this is one of the custom visuals. There are many. Let me take one more visual which I recently implemented in one of my project, that is Talan calendar. So yeah, calendar by Talan. So let me click on it. So you will get your final output in this way. This will really help you to find out your sales, your profits in each and every single day. So let me click on add. Once you click on add, your Talan calendar will be imported here. So there are a few visuals that are paid also, guys, but I'm just looking at the free visuals, custom visuals. Now I'll use a, it is a calendar, so obviously I need a date. Yeah, it will show you it in this way. And then let me take a sales amount in this value. So you're getting in this way. You can use a drill down approach to do that, but I personally don't like this. Here, instead of hierarchy, I'll change this to a order date. I'll not keep it hierarchy. I'll keep it order date. Once I keep a order date, you can see you are getting a entire calendar in front of you starting from January. So what I can do, I'll just go back to the visual and I'll change the configuration to columns as 6. Yeah, or 8. Let me take 8. Yeah, this looks good. Now this is only for your presentation, guys. You can do the lot of changes there. So I can figure out on which day we got a maximum sales, and wherever you have a white color, it shows that you do not have any sales there. So this is one of the custom visuals. Out of many, I have taken only one or two for example. I cannot take all, so you can do some practice on that. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching this. Keep learning.